Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're diving deep into something special, the 2025 Skoda Enyaq Sportline. This isn't just another electric SUV, this is Skoda's statement that performance and sustainability can go hand in hand. And trust me, you'll want to hear about what makes this sporty electric SUV truly stand out. First impressions matter, and the Enyaq Sportline immediately grabs your attention with its aggressive stance and blacked-out details. Skoda has gone all in with their new modern solid design language, and on the Sportline, it looks absolutely mean. The glossy black tech deck face up front is flanked by stunning LED matrix headlights with a distinctive 4-eye look. And those vertical LED eyelashes? They create a light signature that'll turn heads day and night. What really sets the Sportline apart is its blacked-out appearance. We're talking high-gloss black front spoiler, black window trim, metallic black wing mirrors, and even the Skoda lettering front and rear gets the black treatment. Rolling on standard 20-inch Vega alloy wheels in metallic black, this thing looks ready for business. And if that's not enough, you can upgrade to massive 21-inch Supernova wheels in the same sinister finish. But the Sportline isn't just about looks. This thing is seriously slippery through the air, with a drag coefficient of just 0.245. That's not just a number for the engineers to brag about. It directly translates to better range and performance. Speaking of which, let's talk power. You've got 3 flavors to choose from, and none of them are lacking in punch. The entry-level Enyaq 60 Sportline comes with a 150 kilowatt rear motor and a 63 kilowatt-hour battery. Step up to the Enyaq 85 Sportline, and you're looking at a beefier 210 kilowatt motor paired with an 82 kilowatt-hour battery pack. But the real star of the show? That's the Enyaq 85X Sportline with its dual motor setup and all-wheel drive capability. Range anxiety? Never heard of it. The new Enyaq Sportline can cruise for over 590 kilometers on a single charge. And when you do need to juice up, it'll take just 28 minutes to go from 10 to 80% thanks to its 175 kilowatt DC fast charging capability. That's barely enough time to grab a coffee and stretch your legs. Step inside, and you'll find yourself in what might be the sportiest electric SUV interior this side of a Porsche Taycan. The Sportline-specific interior comes with black sports seats featuring integrated headrests. They're wrapped in a premium combo of Suedia microfiber and artificial leather, with eye-catching gray contrast stitching. Oh, and that driver's seat? It comes with a massage function as standard. Nice touch, Skoda. The tech game is strong here too. You're looking at a 13-inch infotainment display front and center paired with a 5-inch digital instrument cluster. Want more? The optional augmented reality head-up display will make you feel like you're living in the future. And speaking of the future, the new MyŠkoda app is a game changer. It gives you access to over 800,000 charging points across Europe and lets you do cool tricks like park your car remotely using just your smartphone. But what really impresses is how Skoda has nailed the balance between sportiness and everyday usability. The Sportline comes standard with adaptive dampers, so you can switch from comfort to sport depending on your mood. The steering is precise, and in the all-wheel drive 85X version, you've got the kind of all-weather capability that makes this a true all-rounder. Safety tech? It's all here. You get predictive adaptive cruise control, traffic jam assist, and side assist as standard. The LED matrix headlights are also standard on the Sportline, and they're smart enough to avoid dazzling other drivers while keeping the road ahead perfectly illuminated. Now, let's talk practicality, because even in Sportline trim, this is still a Skoda. You get 585 liters of boot space with the seats up, expanding to a massive 1,710 liters when you fold them down. The cabin is full of clever storage solutions, and there's enough room in the back for 3 adults to sit comfortably. Prices start at around 44,000 euros for the base Sportline model, which might seem steep until you look at what you're getting. This is a fully electric high-performance SUV with the kind of tech and features you'd expect to find in something costing 20 grand more. And let's not forget about the running costs. Charging at home will cost you a fraction of what you'd spend on fuel for a conventional SUV. So what's the verdict on the 2025 Skoda Enyaq Sportline? In a word, impressive. This isn't just a sporty trim package, it's a genuinely well-thought-out performance variant that doesn't sacrifice the practicality and usability that made the standard Enyaq such a hit. It looks great, drives well, and offers the kind of range that makes it a viable option for just about anyone. Whether you're an EV enthusiast looking for something with a bit more edge, or a performance car fan ready to make the switch to electric, the Enyaq Sportline deserves a spot on your shortlist. It proves that going electric doesn't mean giving up on driving excitement. That's it for our look at the 2025 Skoda Enyaq Sportline. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more reviews of the latest and greatest EVs, and drop a comment below to let us know what you think about Skoda's sporty electric SUV. Until next time, drive safe and stay charged. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.